Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So, I want to talk to you in response to about a week or so ago, I did a single woman's appeal, and I was asking the YouTube family to give me some advice because I'm ready to find a soulmate, okay? Or hopefully the soulmate will find me, okay? And I was just kind of nervous and curious, how do I go about it? I haven't dated in years, and I think that when God put Adam in the garden, he looked at Adam and he seen that he was lonely, and he went and brought Eve to him. Okay? So, I'm a Eve, right? Even though my name is Rachel, I'm a Eve, and I am looking for my Adam. Okay? Okay. So, I got a comment from I.J. Matson. Okay, and so these were her remarks or her advice to me. She said, my opinion should count in the relationship, not my children. So I had given the example about, in the past when I had my kids and they were younger, and I brought a maid home, and they didn't really want me to have a mate because, they wanted all my attention and time. And so she's saying that my opinion matters, and she's right, or he's right. I.J. Matson, I don't know if it's a woman or a man, but I'm talking to you. You are right. And since they're all grown and out of my house now, I really don't have that kind of pressure anymore, okay? And also she said, I should be happy with the person. Don't worry about whether they're happy with the person. It's all about me, okay? And the person should treat me right. And finances, she said, should be shared, because everybody have different income levels and expenses and that sort of thing. And so it shouldn't be about money, because I think I asked the question, who should pay if we go out to eat? And that goes to show you how stuck I was back in the day. When I was dating back in the day, the men always paid. But I'm really not about money. If you watch my channel, you'll see how frugal I am, and I don't try to waste money, and money is really not my top priority, because money can't bring you a glass of water when you're sick, or money can't listen to you when you have concerns and cares, and money can't show you love, right? So those things are important, very, very important. Of course, money is always nice, but that's not me. It's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for companionship, happiness, and someone that is willing to share all of them with me and me with them, okay? And also she said, I should enjoy the conversation instead of asking a lot of questions. Okay, in my video, I said that I had met someone, and it was just a general conversation, and I found myself asking that person a lot of questions. And she's saying that could be a turnoff, and that I should just let the conversation flow naturally and see where it goes, okay? And so it won't scare the person off or anything like that. And I didn't mean to do that. I'm just a curious person by nature, so I'm gonna have to make sure I take her advice and watch out for that, and make sure that I don't go down the question and answer line, okay? Unless that person wants to go there. I won't implement it. How about that? I am taking all of her advice or his advice. Okay. And I should allow the conversation to take place naturally. Great, great, great advice. I am going to do that. So I want to say this also. I am beginning to get in the mood of being single and looking. As you notice today, I have some makeup on. Yes, I have some makeup on. I took my daughter to a makeup, not my daughter, my granddaughter, to a makeup artist for her graduation. And I seen how he transformed her right while I was sitting there, from who I knew her to be and how I knew her looks to be, to when he finished, I didn't know who I was looking at. She looked like a whole different person. And I'm going to have that video on my channel soon. So you please watch that, okay? You're going to enjoy that. He really did a wonderful job transforming her. So I'm going to see if I can transform me. Why not? Okay? And, you know, maybe one day I'll treat myself and go over there and have him to do me as well, so that I can get a different perspective on things and feel good about the moment for that day, right? Okay, so in my single appeal, I'm still looking. Nothing's happened yet, but I'm still living. I'm still hopeful, because I know that is someone out there for me, and I know I have a lot to bring to the table. A lot. It's a lot to me. And I know I still owe you a stand-up comedy show. I'm working on it, okay? So I will definitely be bringing you that as well. So thank you very much. I appreciate all your support and care. And hit the like button if you like that. And if you are a single person out there and you are looking, hey, comment. Let somebody know that you're out there. You can comment right on this channel. You never know who's watching and looking and reading. And maybe you'll find some luck. Why not? Let's just share it, okay? All right. So hit the like button. If this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe, okay? I'd love to have you, okay? I'm trying to get to 4,000 subscribers now. That's my new goal, okay? Can you help me get that done? I know you can, because you've helped me thus far, okay? All right, so I'll keep you posted on my single life. Okay, it's not going to be too good right now because my phone won't even work. So I don't know how that's going to work, but we're still hopeful, okay? All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.